Alright guys, we are here close to the water here in Lincoln Wood State Park. Uh, let's see what we have close to the lake. There's a big rock out there. Look at these views. Here we come. Look at the water. It's so clear. Maybe 3 or 4 feet. You can even swim here. Look like a pool. You just jump. Really nice. I will come back here again. It's really pretty. So just stop by here to kill my time driving home. So really pretty. I want to explore here again. Alright, thank you guys. Bye bye.